Hey guys, it's Wednesday morning. Off for my little stroll. I'm right along Bass Lake here. It's right through there. And this is the kind of Holly Springs Raleigh Greenway belt line as it approaches and connects to Bass Lake. And we're about 24 hours out of little Miss Dorian hurricane headed up our way. Anyway, so I just kind of wanted to take a little journey here, see what this thing looks like today. We'll come back tomorrow, Thursday, and then I'll be in the middle of the thing. And Friday after, and kind of assess what this place looks like. Hopefully we do good. Look at my friend. Holy cow. Yes, boys and girls, that is a copperhead. Mr. Copperhead's on the path. Stay away from those. They'll kill you. Well, they won't kill you. They'll make you wish you did, though. Morning, guys. So, Thursday morning, out for a little walk. A little later than normal. Had a meeting this morning that went over, which was awesome. But little Hurricane Dorian update. We were looking at kind of nothing. It's almost 9 o'clock, and starting to get little sprinkles. But I'm right off the lake here again. Kind of lake's like right out that way. It's kind of still right now, actually. Had a little breeze blowing earlier, but we're supposed to get some stuff coming through starting around noon. I'll keep you guys updated. Take a quick peek at some of the ponds, but really hasn't been doing anything, so I don't think it'll look much different than yesterday, but we'll be out tomorrow. Probably be raining a bit. It's supposed to get about 40-mile-an-hour winds-ish, and we'll see what this place looks like. I don't know how well you can see behind me. These thicker clouds are starting to move pretty quick, separating these kind of like outer bands here of the storm. Starting to hit Raleigh here. Still really not much rain here. Just a little breeze, and actually the humidity right now is like 100%. It's like just, I mean, I was running here for a little bit, but it's just like soup, just drudging through soup. So keep our eye on those clouds back there, and I'll keep you posted. More running now. See ya. Here we go. Alright, so finally kind of coming out of the neighborhood, heading to my normal morning walk on a trail. This is a little footbridge right here that goes over what's normally a little baby stream. To be honest, we got a couple gusts, maybe, I don't know, 20 miles an hour. We got a bunch of rain, but this is North Carolina, and we get like these brutal storms that come through with hail and gusts of winds like 60 miles an hour, like about every other afternoon. So this has been, I would say, less than a very exciting storm. Anyway, here's that little trail, that little river, whatever, stream, from a couple days ago. Nothing really exciting. Whoa, nothing crazy here. Just a little rain, which is good. Which is good. Let's take a walk. Watch for snakes. but blue skies. Well, that's it. Well, that's our adventure. Not much of an adventure. Mr. Dan Kazda was a no-show. Mr. Dan Van Winkle. So, there we go. I don't know. Not much. Actually, there's blue skies out there now. Clouds. A little bit of breeze. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. So, so why spend 2-3 days on Hurricane Dorian? And I kind of thought about it actually yesterday when it was kind of a non-event. But we're here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Raleigh's like a 2-hour drive almost from Wilmington, North Carolina. Now, Wilmington probably took a major beating. Nothing compared to the Bahamas that, you know, Cat 5 sat over for 2 days. But I wanted to kind of just take some time out of my normal week and document this because, not of the weather event, but because of the people event. What happens to people? I mean, think about it. Hurricane's coming, where the weather drama channel goes on and says, you know, batten down the hatches, it's gonna be the biggest thing ever. And I get that, you know, they need to alert people because some people will just kind of sit there and say, oh, it's gonna be fine, I'm gonna be just fine. And they're not fine. Cat 5 coming sitting over your house for 2 days is probably gonna kill you. Good chance anyway. At least in the environments where they usually do in the tropics, where probably I'm not, you know, I don't know everything about architecture in the tropics, but from what I can see, the houses just aren't built quite as sturdy, because normally the weather's much nicer. Then this hurricane comes through and wipes them off, literally off the face of the earth. So, but coming up, I just kind of was like mesmerized as this thing just kind of just sat down in Florida, just churning away. And it looked like it could be really bad. And I kind of just thought, wow, this could come up right up here. A couple years ago, there was Hurricane Fran, more than a couple years ago now. And it literally like stayed off the coast and then it like made a beeline, like here's Raleigh, here's Wilmington. Wilmington's down here, here's Raleigh. And it just like came up out of the ocean, nowhere, and just went, wham, straight up 40. And I mean, it was bad. Like it was really bad. So yeah, I just thought, let me take time. Maybe this will be something, maybe it won't. I'm glad it was nothing. I really am. I don't like losing power. I hate when people's homes get flooded. It's terrible. Loss of life is horrific. But this was truly a non-event. So anyway, I hope you're all safe out there. Thanks for tuning in today. Click that like button, hit the subscribe. Love for you guys to kind of join me on this little journey we're taking.